Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to uninstall Google Chrome from your Windows computer. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard. This will bring up the search menu where you can quickly access various system features and applications. Once the search menu appears, type in Settings and click on the Settings app when it shows up in the results. This will open your Windows Settings panel where you can manage all your system configurations and installed programs. When the Settings window opens, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll see a navigation menu with several options listed vertically. Look for and click on Apps. This section is where Windows organizes all the applications and programs installed on your computer, making it easy to manage, modify, or remove them as needed. After clicking on Apps, you'll see a few different options appear. Go ahead and click on Installed Apps. This will display a comprehensive list of every application currently installed on your system. The list might be quite long depending on how many programs you have, so don't worry if it takes a moment to load everything. Now, to make finding Google Chrome easier, use the search bar located at the top of the installed apps list. Type Google into the search bar, and the list will automatically filter to show only Google-related applications. This saves you from having to scroll through the entire list manually and helps you locate Chrome quickly. Once Google Chrome appears in the filtered results, you'll notice 3 vertical dots positioned beside it. These dots represent the options menu for that specific application. Click on those 3 dots and a small menu will appear with available actions you can take for Google Chrome. From the menu that appears, click on Uninstall. This initiates the removal process for Google Chrome from your system. Windows wants to make sure you're certain about removing the application, so a confirmation message will pop up on your screen asking you to verify your decision. Simply click Uninstall again in the confirmation prompt. This confirms that you want to proceed with removing Google Chrome. Windows will then begin the uninstallation process, which typically takes just a few seconds to complete. The application will be removed from your system along with its associated files and shortcuts. And that's it. You've successfully removed Google Chrome from your Windows computer. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.